According to Ernest Hemingway, the earth is a fine place and worth fighting for. The quest for pro-environmental acts, laws, and orders are undeniably slow in progress due to economic concerns. As we aim to boost our economy, it also means compromising our Mother Earth. Ikaw, ako, tayo. We are the ones who are solely responsible and liable for these actions. Thus, let's start changing our ways and means and perception towards the finest place we live in, and that's the Earth.
Ouch. Ha. La. Ouch. Ha. La.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Melcher Lee Biva from Ramon S. Segundo Senior National High School, representing District of Kapalong East.
Look at me, I'm a beautiful creature. I don't care about your modern time preacher. Welcome boys, too much noise, I will teach ya. Pum pum po, pum pum po. Hey, is it back up, back up, back up, back up, back up,